This is the layout of a standing seam metal roof when you are on production day. Our crew likes to have this organized in a certain way. Right here we have our field panels. These are the actual 16-inch panels that are going to go in the field of the roof. So all these are organized by size. So these were pre-measured before we even started the roof. We had one of our foremans get on the roof, do full measurements to do a full takeoff to get these panels to the exact length. It's like a puzzle that they're going to be piecing together. This is the bulk of where the metal roof comes from, is the field panels. And on this roof, they're actually 18 feet long. The next station that you'll see right here, this is what we call our trim pieces. So these are our trim. You're gonna see right here, this is our Z-bar. This is how all the trim pieces lock into place. This is just a simple flashing piece. So you're gonna see this, a Z-bar on anywhere where there's a hip, where there's any ridge cap, any valleys, where your gables go up. This is where the locking system goes into place for all the trim. So your Z-bar is a key component. Other pieces that you're gonna see, this is gonna go over the hip of the roof. So these are your hip trim. We got a W valley piece right here. That's gonna go in your valley. And then we have our drip edge and gable trim. So all these pieces are components that go into the roof that are not the field. So right here is where the crew gets the pieces cut to the exact length, and then they're gonna hem the bottom of it so that it can lock into place. So this whole system is dependent on that locking system. And right here is the station that the guys go to get the exact piece. They work with one piece at a time. This isn't something where you can get 10 pieces ready and have them ready to go. You really can work one panel at a time, and the precision and geometry that it takes to do these roofs, because the system needs to lock into place for this entire system to work flawlessly. And that's one of the reasons why the standing seam metal roofs are so durable and last the longest. There's just nowhere for water to get in. Right now, the crew's getting the last few pieces of the standing seam field panels ready. They're on a valley right now where a valley meets the ridge. So that valley has a Z-bar running all the way along the entire valley. And this last piece is gonna lock into place, and then they're gonna put a Z-bar at the top, and that's gonna lock the ridge piece into place, where this system is gonna be tightly put together and no water is gonna be able to get in. When we work in slopes. So we're doing one slope at a time, one piece at a time. This is not something that you can rush and get all these pieces put together and then put it together. There's not much prep work other than organizing the job site. Everything is done so precise. We need to make sure that these panels are exactly the right size and length to put this puzzle together and have the best roofing system that you can get.